pick it up. Actually, on this side, it's a little harder to pick up. I'm having a little trouble, so all I'll do is I'll switch to a scissor over comb technique. Hold the comb like this, thumb on the bottom, pointer finger on top, first crease of the middle finger, and it just rotates in your hand. Wrist doesn't move at all. And that way it lifts the hair, and you cut the hair on the base of the comb. So what I'm doing is I'm forming a V with the comb and the scissor, and I just cut it right on the base of the comb instead of holding the scissor like this and being in danger of cutting up in there what I don't want. And don't stop the scissor. If you stop the scissor, you're going to create a weight line. We don't want to create a weight line. All right, so there we have, now we have our guide created, and we're ready to go in with, we're just about ready to go in with the clipper.